Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Beats Fit Pro one side not working. Left and right audio channel troubleshoot. Fix 1. Forget and repair your Beats. Open your device's Bluetooth settings. Locate Beats Fit Pro in the list of paired devices. Tap Forget this device or unpair. Turn Bluetooth off and wait for about 10 seconds. Turn Bluetooth on again and prepare to reconnect your earbuds. Fix 2. Perform a hard factory reset. Place both earbuds inside the charging case. Leave the case lid open. Press and hold the system button inside the case for approximately 15 seconds. Continue holding until the status light flashes red and white. Release the button. Close the case lid, then reopen it. Your Beats Fit Pro will enter pairing mode and can now be connected to your device again. Fix 3. Check for charging issues. Inspect the charging pins inside the case and the metal contacts on both earbuds. Clean the contacts carefully using a soft, dry cloth. For stubborn dirt or earwax, use a cotton swab lightly damped within rubbing alcohol. Place both earbuds back into the case and ensure they fit securely. Connect the charging case to power and charge for at least 30 minutes. After charging, check whether both earbuds show battery levels on your device. Step 4. Adjust accessibility and audio balance settings. On iPhone, open settings, go to accessibility, audio visual, locate the balance slider. Make sure the slider is positioned exactly in the center between left and right. On Android, open settings, navigate to accessibility, hearing enhancements, or a similar audio settings menu. Check the audio balance setting. Ensure the balance is centered so both earbuds receive equal audio output. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.